Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to list the models which are installed in my system locally. For that we need to open command prompt. In the command prompt we have to run command Ollama list. As you can see, we can see all the LLM models which have been installed in my system. Now I'll show you how to remove any model from the system. For that we have to run a command Ollama rm and the model which you need to remove and press on enter. As you can see, the model has been removed from the system. And if you try Ollama list, the model has been deleted. For more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.